going to be using the Topdon 600 to clear fault codes that were had shown up on this car. It's a Corsa D 1.3, and the fault codes that were on it, the customers assured me that the repairs have been completed, so just to clear the fault codes. So we'll go ahead and diagnose. We'll do an auto detect and see will it register this car. There we go, that was quick. Press OK. And there we go, there's the VIN number, the year, the model, engine type. Press OK, and it's going to do its scan now. As predicted, I think there's going to be 3 codes. One of them is going to be a steering angle sensor. Here's our report now. So let's go to the engine glow plug. Glow device, general error. Gas exhaust recirculation valve stuck. And then for the antidote, it should be steering angle sensor. Okay. So we have that done now. Let's see, can we clear all codes? That's cleared. And then we shall go to the live readings. And 0 DTCs.